Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you how you can change the screen timeout settings of Windows 10 or else your Windows 11. So for doing this, you have to go to search in the taskbar and type there control panel. After type control panel, you have to open control panel. From the right side, you will click on this open and open the control panel. After you open control panel, you have to go on the right side above and change the category here to large icons. After you change it to large icons, you will see here the option power options. You have to click on this power options. After this, you will have to change plan settings by selecting the balanced version. Then you have to click on change plan settings. Here you will see different settings for different modes: on battery mode and plugged in. On battery means when your laptop is not on charged, and plugged in means when it's on charged. So for you can adjust the settings as per your choice. You can turn off the display when on battery as per any of the time limit you can select from this. When it's plugged in, you can also turn off the display from any of the timing that you select while it's plugged in. But if you want your computer to sleep, get to the sleeping mode, you can also adjust time. It is very easy to manage your screen timeout settings in your Windows. I have done this in my Windows 11. It will work for Windows 10 also. I hope your screen timeout settings are adjusted now. Thanks for watching this video.